Trying out a new flavor, the hazelnut. Very mild, very good. Great recommendation from our friend.
Okay guys, we're going to this coffee shop, and this is my outfit, and I really liked this shirt. Of this place
Matcha.
of I don't know how to say that, but it's really cute. 10
and
out of 10.
Love these little cups. Love the
10 out of
branding.
10.
See this? So beautiful.
And what did you get?
I got a double espresso with vanilla cold foam. So good.
So overall, I would give this place a 10 because it's so cute. Okay, first I got this book bag. This sticker. And then I got this keychain.
Hey vlog, wanted to come out here and say you're okay. Bye vlog.